Hey everybody, just a reminder, this is the last video of December. So, you want to win that Buzz Cooks embroidered towel? Leave a comment and we will pick one random winner at the end of this video. Good luck to you, and remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Alright, let's get started on this amazing avocado bread. So for each loaf you make, what you're going to need is 2 medium-sized ripe avocados. And we're going to cut them in half and scoop the flesh out and put it right into our KitchenAid mixing bowl. Then we're going to put our paddle on and set this on level 1. And we're going to let it mix up and cream up the avocado. You don't want a bunch of big clumps in the bread. So let that run a few minutes. Next, we're going to go with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to go with a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, ¾ cup white granulated sugar, we're going to put a couple dashes of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a ½ cup of whole milk. And I believe lastly we're going to go with 1 large egg. Don't put the shell in like I did. And we're going to lower down the paddle and turn this sucker on and get this bread dough all mixed up. There, it's starting to come together. Now it's a pretty sticky dough, I will tell you that up front. So we're going to lift it up. We're going to get our spatula, push the sides down, and we'll turn it back on and mix it for a few more minutes. But you can already see how sticky it is. But that's good, that means it's going to be super moist. So I've got the bread pan out. I bought the throwaway aluminum ones. And I'm going to spray it down with some non-stick. And then we're going to take the dough out of our mixing bowl, get it right into the bread pan. There we go. You can see all those pieces of avocado. That's going to be amazing. So once we get all the dough into the pan, we're going to use our spatula to try and spread it as even as we can inside the baking pan. And while I'm doing this, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. You should actually leave the comment because that gives you a shot at winning the kitchen towel. I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. So once we get all this dough in there and get it leveled out, we're going to pop that in. And you can use this same recipe and switch out the avocado for bananas. Maybe put a couple bananas in there and make banana bread. Or pistachios, make pistachio bread. It's up to you. So I'm going to pop this in there. 375. And I'm going to go for 40 minutes. And then after the 40 minutes is up, I'm going to take the bread out and do the old toothpick test. And you'll see here, we got a fail. Not done. So I'm going to pop it back in. Go for another 10 minutes. And this time, we'll do the toothpick test. And clean as a whistle. So it's good to go. So we're going to let it rest. We're going to cut it up. We're going to taste it. And you got delicious avocado bread. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck on the towel, and we'll see you on the next video.